Parsons Inflatables. This is the sitting scarecrow from Spirit Halloween. I got him at Spirit's 50% off sale this year. And this is his box. He is 4 feet 5 inches when he at his tallest point. He's supposed to be under a covered porch. Do not display during strong winds. He's motion activated. He is included with a 6V2A adapter. An internal speaker jack, which is included. Volume control is included too. None of this stuff's included down here. So some stuff about him. I love him. This is like kind of real. It looks really good. Look how I have those around there. Like his shoes, they're cool too. Like, and this is real. So we'll get into the demo now. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe.